Díomh ar maidin na fáistí, chun sa táisibh, tá súlagam go raibh deire seachtaine má a gcuibh. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Okay, so we have a new theme this week on tEarrach. Repeat that please. On tEarrach. Which means, so look at the picture here, what do you think on tEarrach might mean? Okay, spring. Okay, on tEarrach, spring. Now, this Martha is March, okay, so don't worry too much. I know it's only the middle of February, so don't worry. But this is just to learn our numbers, okay. But in this particular page, they're looking at the month of March. But don't worry too much about that. Okay, so on tEarrach. So we have on Dara law is fiche de vorta. Dara law is fiche de vorta. On triú law is fiche de vorta. You can see that the second number comes first when you're saying the 23rd. So a direct translation would be the third day and 20. Okay, so it's a funny old way of speaking, but anyway, that's the way it is. On triú law is fiche de vorta. On cathrú law is fiche de vorta. On cúigú law is fiche de vorta. On séú law is fiche de vorta. On seachtú law is fiche de vorta. On tuchtú law is fiche de vorta. The 29th of March. Sorry, 28th of March. On níú law is fiche de vorta. That's the 29th of March. On truchadú law de vorta. On truchadú law de vorta. On tainú law is trucha de vorta. Okay, so a few questions to go with that, and as you can see here, guys, all the pictures of what the people are doing, okay, are down here with the translation. Okay, so ag ruthíocht, ag marcíocht, ag immert et fella, ag snáv, ag immert ladóige, ag imánt, ag ri faoin tua, okay, running in the countryside, ag immert kish fella. So the questions. So Ibrahim is done for you. Okay, so we can see how the first one's done. We can do the rest ourselves. Cada rinne na páistí. So what did the páistí do? Cada rinne na páistí an uchtú law is fiche de vorta. Uchtú law is fiche de vorta. There it is. On uchtú law is fiche. On tuchtú law is fiche. Okay, look at the picture. Go down to the bottom. You can see the matching picture. Ag imánt. So V na páistí ag imánt. So let's pick a random one. Ibar a cahar. Cad a rinne na páistí. What did the páistí do? Cad a rinne na páistí an éinú law is tricha de vorta. So there it is. On tainú law is tricha de vorta. Fan go bheici mé. Ah, look, ag immert ladóige. So V na páistí ag immert ladóige. Okay, so ban trial as sin. Try your best with that, please. So we're looking at a new season on tEarrach. We're looking at some new numbers, and we're using some of our old Cav Aimsire. Okay, so we're kind of mixing everything up together. Okay, some new and some revision at the same time. Okay, so Mashiv, Banagi trial as shin, agus Sholagi on uber chumse. So send the work on to me. Okay, slán go fóill.